With the contract with the integrator that I grow for, there's a stipulation that you have to have some way to dispose of dead birds. And so they give you two options. You have an incinerator or you've got composters. Well, I did the math, and I know a young man that's got an incinerator, and he spends about $1,500 to $2,000 per flock.
Yeah.
And if you grow 5 flocks a year, that's about $10,000 a year.
Yep.
And if you add that 5 years, I saved myself $50,000 in diesel fuel, but I only spent $5,000 in the beginning. So if you're thinking about poultry growing, or you're a small farmer just getting started, you don't have to go and finance everything to get started. You can be innovative and make some things happen on your own.